How's it going? This is Matt from GoTherax. In this video, I want to go over side-lying shoulder external rotation. So for this, we're going to use a light weight, or we may be not using weight. This is usually performed when you're having an issue where you're just after surgery for your shoulder, or when you're having some shoulder pain and we're working on external rotation of that shoulder. So we're going to go here and lie down on the side. And then we're going to tuck this elbow into the side. The movement is just rotating that elbow. I want to make sure that I'm not sliding the elbow back as I rotate or lifting the elbow. I just want to rotate back. Another thing people will do is they'll start to rotate and it'll become difficult and they'll extend the elbow instead of just rotating it. So try to lock it at 90 degrees and then you want to rotate it back. Now, I can do that with this weight and I can rotate back slowly down, always in control and going through that full range. Again, we want to go as far as we can pull it out and then back in. And this is sufficient enough weight. I can start to feel a little bit here on the back side as I do that. The muscles we're trying to use here are small and they're not going to be super strong. So we want to just make sure that we're very attentive to moving through slowly and not trying to use momentum to say lift the weight this way or to lift and extend this way. We want to be very slow and purposeful with our movement for these side-lying rotations. Thanks.